How to delete Patreon account. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily delete your Patreon account on your phone. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So for this, you don't have to use the Patreon app. Instead, you have to go to the Patreon's website. So open up any browser on your device and then search for Patreon and then go to patreon.com. And then here you can continue log in or sign in with Google, Apple, Facebook, or continue with email. So let me log in quickly. So now after you have signed in, you have to tap on these three lines in the top left corner here. Then here tap on your name in the bottom left side here and tap on privacy policy. And now here wait for it to load, and once it's loaded you have to tap on make a privacy request. Then here scroll down and tap on erase. Now here it says Patreon Privacy Center would like to view your public profile and view your email address. So here are two options, allow and deny. So here I'm just gonna tap on allow. Now here you should go to this node and then tap on confirm request and wait for it to load. Now here it says request submitted successfully. So now you have to wait for 14 days, and after 14 days your account will be permanently deleted. And so this is how you can delete your Patreon account. Thanks for watching.